But botany by itself, it's the study of plants. So this is a multi-spec machine. We use it to collect photos. Apart from us hosting plants, we also want to increase biodiversity in terms of animals. Yes, recreation, we are doing the air, the shade, all the things that are mentioned, the about education, conservation, research.
Muhimu sana bana.
Pia ni master's degree.
Nipo na msomi hapa bana.
Yeah.
Pwani University.
Yes.
Bro, your area of specialization, maybe start by introducing yourself and the work that you do in this noble institution.
Okay, I'm Oscar Moura. I'm an MSc student here at Pwani University, and I'm taking MSc in botany. My specialization, it's more into plant science, the botany. That is, it's botany and plant science, more or less the same thing, but that's what I specialize in.
What do you mean by MS?
MS, it's a Masters of Science in Botany.
Yeah, Masters of Science.
In Botany.
Very, very important. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a young man, a young Kenyan that is doing what is appropriate in terms of agriculture to make sure that we have enough farm produce for our population, and maybe if it's possible, the entire continent.
yeah, it's possible.
Is it not possible?
Yes, sorry.
Okay. So I'm in your territory. What is it that is going on here?
So what we have here, it's what we call Botanical Garden. But for this Botanical Garden, it's designated as Pwani Botanical Garden. Yeah, it's only it's the only botanical garden we have around the coastal region, all the way from Kwale to Lamu. And we have the privilege to host the botanical garden here at Pwani University. Yes. And
so for a layman who doesn't understand or knows anything about botany, what is botany? Because that in terms of agriculture, what?
Okay, there is a thin line of difference between agriculture and botany. But botany by itself, it's the study of plants generally.
Oh yes, botany.
Yes, while agriculture is the study of crops.
Crops.
But also crops rely other plants, which is botany.
Oh yes. That's the little knowledge I have in terms of botany, the zoology in terms of animals.
Yes.
Yeah, you can remember what we used to do at 844, but now going to university, it means that now it's start narrowing down to our specialization.
Yes.
Yeah. So what should I expect here? I can see a lot of stuff. I can see aloe vera here.
Aloe vera, yes. So here in the botanical garden, we have themes. And we have designated these themes according to what they give. Yes, there is recreation, there is research, there is education, and there is conservation. Research, we have plants where we do aspects like extraction of metabolites that we use in our research, or also we host plants that we can use for research purposes, like as a reductor. As a reductor is the neem tree. Other research crops are the aloe vera, which we use for medicinal research here in the lab. That's in terms of research. Apart from that, we do also biodiversity research using the garden also. In terms of education, here it's the place where we educate students in terms of the diversity of plants we have, the composition of the plants we have within the coast. They are here. In terms of aspects like herbarium, how to collect specimens, how to store specimens. That's how we do our education here. In terms of recreation, we have tables or seats under the shades where students, apart from students, also staffs can come, sit, relax, enjoy the clean air within the garden for recreational purposes. Yeah, for conservation, we do normally conserve those indigenous species that are threatened or endangered. Indigenous species, more so those that are threatened, and we have the genes or gymnasium in this botanical garden. Yeah.
Wow, this is great. It's all about education. Kusoma ni muhimu bwana. Education is important, man.
Yeah, education.
Very. And here it means that you need to dedicate yourself. And it's all about passion again.
It's about passion. Yes.
What inspired you or motivated you to venture into this? Because there's being a lawyer, maybe doctor, etc. Why botany?
Okay, botany, the reason why I got inspired into botany is to understand what really plants are and what plants gives us to humans, in terms of food, in terms of what we are calling recreation, in terms of what we call ecosystem services. That's what inspired me generally. To be more specific, I'm more interested into looking at the aspects that the plant has with regard to the environment. Yes, what the plant gets out of the environment and what it has gotten out of the environment as its use and the output that it gives us as the benefit that we use in terms of maybe food, shelter, and any other aspects of like tiba and any other benefits that we get from it.
What are these? I can see there's a book here and some stuff here.
So I'm from collecting data in the field.
Oh, you are collecting data?
Yes, not in the botanical garden, but in a more confined experimental setup.
Yes.
So this is a multi-spec machine. We use it to collect photosynthetic data.
Okay.
Yeah, as I've said, we use plants to produce food. Yes. But we need to understand how those plants produce food under given environmental conditions.
Okay.
Yes. So that we can maybe able to improve the plant to produce more food, or improve the plant to adapt to that environment for the greater good. So this machine measures photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis.
Yes.
Photosynthesis is the process of plant
making food.
Making food.
Yes.
By the use of what? Sunlight or what?
Good. By the use of sunlight.
Sikulala darasani,
Sikulala science.
Oh, so almost everybody can be a scientist.
Yes, everybody can become a scientist.
But the degree is what differs. The extent.
Yeah, the extent of content.
Yes.
And they are deep into what you are doing in research.
Okay. So you are talking about aloe vera here. You can see there's this one, aloe vera, and all of them here. So we carry on, maybe.
Yes. So I can show you the different beams we have. For example, this beam over here, there's ROS, succulents. Yeah, we have ROS, we have euphorbias.
So those are types of aloe vera?
No, they're types of aloe veras.
Yes.
But in broader families.
Oh, so
they are succulents. Yeah, within the succulents, we have euphorbias and we have aloe vera for our case in here.
Oh, so these ones here, in terms of what is trying to... Hata hii pilipili na jina, eh? Yeah. So aloe vera, there's so many here. So many. I hope I don't encounter those long creatures crawling.
There is, but you can encounter here.
Oh. So these ones here are the ones you're talking about, right?
This is a euphorbia, type of euphorbia.
Euphorbia.
Yes.
What's the use of this euphorbia?
It's just it's just a gene bank of this species we have.
Okay.
Yes. Normally euphorbias, they grow in the deserts.
Oh yes.
But some of the euphorbias are becoming or are prone to extinction.
Okay.
Yes.
So you're taking good care of it?
Yes, we are taking good care of it.
Wow.
So that when anybody else wants seed,
yes,
or the same plant can have a succulent or
So from the look of things, it means that it seeps in a lot of water.
Yes, that's
Yeah,
the one.
'cause from how I can feel it, it's thick, and it means that it seeps a lot. Or is it sucking?
Uptake.
Wow, this is so interesting, ladies and gentlemen. There are so many things that we're talking about. So we carry on. Where do we head to?
Yeah, we can head that way.
Oh, this way. Maybe utangulie. Wow. You also have got a camera here, my friend.
But it's also here.
Yeah.
This one not mine. I've just been given by our wisher. You see, it has a tag. Eh?
Oh, it has a tag, yeah.
Yeah, it's not mine. Huh?
Wow.
It's one of my principal investigators.
Okay. For research work.
For research work, yes, exactly.
So it's all about documentation.
Yes, about documentation, exactly.
Wow, this place is so big.
So these are the euphobias that we have.
Euphorbias.
These are the indigenous. In fact, they are threatened euphorbia.
But
The scientific
they've
name-
got thorns, right?
Yes. The scientific name, I can't recall.
Wow. Huh? It's all about going into, how can we refer to it? It's about education.
It's about education.
Yes.
Of course, all the themes that I've mentioned is about education, conservation, research,
And
and recreation.
recreation.
It's all centered within all those 4 themes.
Yes. Wow, botany.
Botany. This section,
Form 1, Form 2, Form 3. And all this, they've got their...
yes, this is an
Names.
example of plant species.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So
we
this...
have tagged the plant species.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So this section, it's designated for Tiba.
Or timber specifically?
Yeah, Tiba species.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, so there's timber, there's
There is ROS. It's divided into
sections.
Into sections, nice. It's divided into sections so that we can be able to conserve all those. We can manage to interconnect all those beams together.
Okay.
Yes.
But then this is a huge investment, man, because at a very big piece of land,
Yes.
everything must be in contact.
Yeah, it must be important. So we can go to there.
Yeah. I can see sometimes you can sit there and
these are the recreations now.
recreation now. Oh, the benefits of having
Yes.
trees. Just have a sit a little bit so that we can benefit from it.
Yeah, yes, recreation, we enjoy the air, the
Shed.
shade, the view. Yes.
As you meditate.
As you meditate.
The importance of having trees.
Yes.
I have a lot of them at home, my ancestral land. Now I'm getting the deeper meaning
Yes.
and we should study.
Yes.
Yeah, it's good to be a professional.
Yes.
So that's why you've created all these things here
Yes.
for people to come and relax
And relax. Yes.
with the nature. So here is, you can find that some characters eventually ended up as couples.
Yes.
For-
Yes.
they
Oh,
come here and
university students, they do their proposals, yeah.
and bash, birthday parties. Wow,
Yes.
recreation.
Recreation.
Now I get the meaning.
Yeah.
So, ladies and gentlemen, where if you're in Tumasinde Muliro Gardens, Uhuru Park, and all those parks across the country, you now understand the reason as to why you have those parks and forest etc. is because of the simple reason that experts have advised the regimes or government to make sure that we have all those places for the obvious reasons. Yeah, and I'm here with an expert himself. He's taking me through to be able to understand the reason as to why you have all these things and why you should also invest in education.
Yes, we have baboos. The reason why we have bamboo trees is we also promote innovation and creation. Yes, we are, as a government itself and as a country itself, we are moving from plastics to more biodegradable materials, like dustbins.
So
Yes.
we can move
So-
to bamboo sticks. There are so many. We have so many of them at home.
Yes.
What's the importance of bamboo sticks?
One it's a all-round plant.
Okay.
It's used to make a lot of usable homemade.
Yes.
What do you call them?
Furniture.
Furnitures, yes, and stationaries also. Yes,
Wow.
seeds. You can make it with seeds. You can make cups. Have you seen cups of bamboo? Very nice ones.
And durable.
And
One
durable.
thing I know about bamboos is that they are tough.
They are tough, exactly.
Yes.
Yes. They make straws instead of having the plastic straws that we have.
Yes.
I think there's a species of bamboo that is used to make straws, but that I've seen in the Asian countries,
Okay.
Vietnam and the Philippines.
Those one I understand them.
In Kenya, we are still developing.
Yes.
We haven't yet
We should be there. We should be an industry. Is it industrial?
sustainable industrial park.
Yes.
Country that is.
So I used to see this in many years ago in the
Snake
village.
plants, yes.
Yeah. In 90s.
So
Can you imagine?
this snake plant, it's very good in cleaning the air. That's why even we have them here.
Wow, these ones.
Yes, they are very good in cleaning.
This air.
Yeah, then it grows even in the dark. If you can have a piece, have it in a pot, and put it in your close to the door or the window. It's a very good plant.
Wow, this one's here.
Yes. It's called snake plant.
Snake plant.
Snake.
What? Snake.
Yeah, it's like a snake.
Oh, snake.
Yes.
The serpent.
Yes.
But snakes also like this place.
No. It's called snake because
of the
stripes.
color. Oh, the stars. Wow, look at this recreational center. Oh, so many people have benefited from the bench.
Yeah. So when the students are back to session, you find them mostly in this.
Oh, they come and relax here.
They come and
'Cause
relax.
this place is also
Cool.
no, coastal region is hot.
Yes.
So when they come here, it's cool.
It's cool.
They come and
They do.
exactly. Wow.
There's a very nice, interesting.
Wow. I didn't know that you've got a very, very nice place like this.
We have a very nice place.
People should visit Pwani University. Man.
We need, if anybody who wants to support the course,
Yes.
we are asking funds to support this course. People willing to donate, donate money to the university to support
The maintenance.
Yes, this is jasmine. Jasmine, you are fond of the jasmine, a fragrance.
Yes.
Yes, this is jasmine.
I think it's found mostly in Arab countries.
Yes. And we have Mukirua fragrance. Have you heard of it?
No. But the tree I've seen it. So I've
Yes,
never, I don't know.
It produces very sweet, very sweet
Aroma, yes.
Yes.
No, you know, we just see these things, but we just cut them down anyhow.
Yeah, that's
we don't
why
know the importance.
That's why we have them over here.
Okay.
As a gym person. So anybody who wants jasmine can come pick cuttings
Yes.
for vegetative propagation.
Yes.
Or they can pick seeds. They normally produce out of the flowers. They produce fruits and seeds. Yes.
Wow, that's great, man.
We store the germplasm of all the species that tend to vanish.
This is investment.
This is investment. Yes.
A huge investment.
A huge investment.
Because tree is life. But one ndege imekufa hapo. Ni? Oh.
Yes. Another thing that I did not mention is that we have a pond. Yes.
Fish pond.
We mentioned about biodiversity at one point. Yes.
Oh yes.
Yeah, the reason why you have a fish pond is to diversify that.
Okay.
Diversify the.
It's somewhere there.
Yeah, this for only that now because of the dry season it's dry. You know, normally during the rainy season,
yes,
it's full. So you have birds coming over here.
Oh yes. Ecosystem.
Yes, ecosystem, biodiversity. Yes. Okay. Apart from us hosting plants, we also want to increase biodiversity in terms of animals that we have. Okay. Yes. So the reason why you have a pond.
A pond. Yeah. Very, very important.
Yes.
So in a nutshell, ladies and gentlemen, niko na mtaalamu here, an expert. Your last words, maybe encourage somebody to invest in this cause.
Anybody, tunasema ni kupanda miti, right? Yes, and the reason why the government encourage to panda miti so that we can have such beautiful environment. Yes, where we can get nini, tunaweza pata maji, we can get water, food, and also somewhere we can stay, a good and clean environment. So my message to everybody out there, they plant trees. That's all I can say.
And that's why in Europe, America, they value all this.
Yes, they value trees. Yes, yes. Who would want such kind of an environment? Who would want?
When Gen Z's wanaleta shida, the president anaambia tembea. Gachagua tembeeni mtulize akili.
Yes. Yeah. Look at that environment.
Can you imagine?
Even having it in your homestead, yes. It's a very good environment.
Even Adam and Eve, I'm told that they used to walk in the garden.
Exactly. have small gardens in your homes, in your farms.
Thanks a lot, ladies and gentlemen. This is Bonga Tube. Remember to subscribe and all the best. You are who? You are who?
I'm Oscar Moura.
Oscar Moura.
Yes.
Your area of specialization?
Botany, plant science. Yes.
University.
Yes, Pwani University.
Where are you? Your village, where you come from? Maybe your friends you schooled with in Gishagi?
Gishagi, I come from Kirinyaga. Shout out to all people of Kirinyaga, areas of Kutus, Kirgoya, Moya. Yes.
Long time ago, I used to go and buy some tomatoes. Moya, Kirgoya, Kutus, Sagana, Kagio, Kevimbi. A very nice place. Thanks a lot, guys, and may God bless you. It was in the year 2008.
Yes.